Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Instrumental Music this week. This week, we're going to learn a new song. It's number 133, the Stetson Special, on page 33. So first, I'm going to play it for you. Okay. All right. So last week we learned about the low two fingering in our song number 129. And that was, let's take a look at our violin book. That was when we slid our second finger down to be right next to our first finger on the D string. It looks like this. So instead of putting our fingers right there, and I'm playing a viola today, so that's why I'm on this string, okay? Instead of having our two fingers here this far apart, now we're going to slide that second finger back, and that changed the note from an F sharp, like usual, to an F natural, okay? So this week, we're going to do the same thing, but on the A string. So when we have our two fingers, 1, 2, in the correct spot, or 3 fingers for cello, on those tapes, it's a C sharp. So we're going to slide that 2 back to our low 2 position, again, touching our first finger, and that's going to change it from a C sharp to a C natural, okay? So looking at the top of the page in your book, we've got our fingering chart once again, and this time we're on the A string. This is the violin book, okay? So A string. 0 fingers is A, 1 finger is B, and then our 2 in low 2, see how they're right next to each other? In low 2, our 2 is C, just C. C or C natural, it means the same thing, okay? Not C sharp, okay? This is going to be the same for violin and viola, and then cello. You guys know that you don't have a low 2 fingering, you just have a 2 fingering. Last week we learned how to use our second finger for the first time with our F natural, and then this week we've got our second finger on the A string to be C or C natural. Okay, just like that. So let's take a look at the song quick before we play. And for the violin and viola folks, once again, we've got that arrow pointing down every time we get to the C natural, and that's just showing you that you need to move to your low 2 position. Put those fingers together, okay? Slide it down. And cellos, you guys don't have the arrow. You just have a 2 written there to remind you, hey, make sure you use that 2, not your 3, to play the C because it's C natural. Okay? All right, so now we're going to go through the fingerings we're going to go through the notes for each group. Remember, the order is violin, then viola, then cello, so go ahead and skip to your part of the video at this time. All right, violins, here we go, starting on G. G, G, A, B, 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 oh, B, B, C, C, D, 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 C, C, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. Viola starts on G. G, G, B, A, B, 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 B. Oh, I started on G, G. Oops, let me get that. Here we go. Sorry about that. G, G, A, B, 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 C, C, D, 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 C, cello. Okay. Go. G, G, A, B, 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 C, C, D, 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 C, C, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. All right. So that's a Stetson Special. Let me know if you have any questions about how to play it. I'm going to play it one more time for you just so you can hear what it sounds like again on a string instrument. And yeah, here we go. All right, have fun, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.